come here. Homer, come here. You want to sleep in your bed, buddy? Come here. Come here. Look who took over your bed. Betty and Alex. Oh, can you move your dogs too? Homer, come on. Come back to your bed. Come on. Clean up Homer's bed. You made a mess. Clean it up. Can you put that back in the car? Come on, Homer. Get over here in your bed. Homer, come on. Come on. Homer, come here. Good boy, Homer. Come on back in your bed. Come on, come around. Come around here, Homer. You can lay down in your bed. Come on. Come on, Homer. Homer. Come on, honey. My bad.